Hey guys, welcome back on this Salesforce tutorial video. So today I am gonna covering in this video uh, the very popular term is the benefit verification in Salesforce Health Cloud. Okay, so we are going to cover what is benefit verification, why it is important, and how the Health Cloud is helps with benefit verification and make it is easy for every care team member, right? And after that we are going to show the some steps for to start with the benefit verification in our Salesforce on, right? So let's talk about the first thing, right? What is a benefit verification? Okay, so in Salesforce Health Cloud, the care benefit verification is a process of as the term says, verifying the patient insurance coverage, okay, and their benefits, okay, and they ensure that they have the necessary coverage for a specific service or treatment, okay. And the care benefit setting allow you to manage and track a patient health insurance and coverage and benefits, okay. And the benefit verification is the process of checking if the patient insurance is active or not, right? So this is all about the patient's insurance is active or not, it is valid or not, so all of these things, okay. And what covered before they received treatment, okay. So however, it helps avoiding problem like denied claims, billing issues, and surprise cost for both the provider and the patients. Right. So now let's talk about why it is important. So imagine seeing a specialist, like for example, urologist, okay, for kidney stone, and assuming your insurance will pay, but later you find what? But later you find out your coverage was expired or missing. Okay, so without verification, the doctor might not get the paid, or you might not get a bill for some time. Sorry, billed for something you thought was covered, right? So the duplicate claims, pre-authorization requirements, or the outdated insurance information can delay care or payments or create a lots of confusion, right? So that is the reason why it is important. Okay, so let's say talk with an example, okay. So if you're talking for the earlier time, okay, when the benefits verification is not came, right? So what was that time? So that time was the earlier what was the issue is that the doctor faces the many issues for verification the patient insurance coverage and all of these things, right? So the to solve this problem, this is the reason why is it important, okay. So let's go to the next. How does health cloud make benefit verification easy, right? So the first thing is traditional way. Okay, so the clinic or the patient manually fills out the form and email or faxes information to the insurance company. Let's say, talk about with some example, right? When the benefit verification is not come, what was the patients do? So the patient did the manually emails to their doctor or their clinical or whatever, right? And faxes to their information to their healthcare team, okay. And after that the patient had to wait for a long time for their response, for their healthcare team response, okay. And it is not ensure that knowing the result, okay, or leads to delay, or it might some frustration for the patients or the healthcare team member, right? So this is for the traditional. And with health cloud, uh, with health cloud I mean to say ki how the health cloud is benefits with the benefit verification, right? So the process is more automated and can be done right inside Salesforce, right? You just need to set up and activate the benefit verification setting. So let's have a look. So go to the setup, uh, here, right benefit, click on care benefit verification setting, So this is the dummy. I wanna just show you. This is the created dummy benefit verification. Uh, when I when I install the my health cloud package, this is already created. Like, okay, so let's have a look in this. So this is the mock class. This is yeah, this is also a dummy class, or this is the dummy API, right? If you wanna go to some real system, we need to created the API for the real system. Okay, so we need to manually create the API for that real system, right? So this is the dummy. Okay, I want to show you. So this is the dummy. Now let's look into that, how the benefit verification is easier for us, right? So go to the account record. Okay, open Charles screen, right? Going to gear icon, click on edit page. It is going super slow. Okay, so for the components, search for benefits verification. Okay, it's loaded. Drag into on the page layout. Okay, so this click on save it. Okay, the changes was saved. Let's go back to it. Let's see what happened when we added this. Okay, so okay, so one thing, if you not seen this like this is screen, okay, so you just click on the verify button. So after the verify button, verify request is created here, okay, and you will see like this what type of plan level benefits the patient have, okay, what coverage benefit details and etc. Okay, so okay, so let's have a look into that. So these are the list out of the verification request. Okay, okay, so these are this is the plan level benefits for this patient. Okay, you can see here 183 of 300 applied here. Okay, so for this in network, out of pocket, out of network, out of pocket. Okay, for family, I mean we can see all of the information at one place. Okay, or what the benefits, or what the insurance the patients have, we can see here, right? So this is the coverage benefit detail, right? So the limit type is B, allowed limit 500. Okay, network type out coverage. Let me just show you one thing. The limit type is B. So let me just show you from where it is coming. So if you click on care limit type, here is a B. Okay, so the co-payment is have a limit type for B and the metric type money, right? So the limit type is B is coming from here, right? Okay, so the notes, provided by the health provider for the treatment for the sudden and unexpected medical condition or injury which require immediate medical attention. Okay, so these are the benefits, uh, or we can say benefits plan for this patient. We can see here. Okay, and this is the setting how we can set up for this benefit verification in Salesforce, right? So okay, so so this is the information, right? So what information can you see here? We can see here plan level benefit details, like what's included in the insurance, what does not include in the insurance, right? What type of that, so all of the same. Okay, and next is limit on service or care types, right? As we talked earlier, the care type limit, right? The next is detail like co-payments, allowance, and coverage amounts. Okay, like allow limits. Okay, applied limits, term, limit type, and all of these things. Okay, the next is real-time confirmation of whether the patient insurance is ready or active for the uh, proposed service. Okay, so this is this. If you used a real-time example, you will see here for the real-time insurance coverage for this patient, right? Okay, so next is why does this matter in everyday clinic life? Okay, now we going to talk about why does this matter in everyday clinic life. Okay, so let's have a look. Doctors and admin staffs can quickly see if they will get a paid for a service. No need to trust just what the patient says, right? The patients are not surprised by bills or denials later, right? And less manual work or fewer delays compared to the old email or fax forms. Okay, so everything is done in one screen for this patient's benefits. Okay, so everything is as we can see, everything is done in one screen. And how much is this fast and easy for everyone, like for patient, for care provider, for care team, right? Okay, so all of these things I want to cover in this video. Let me just summarize you. So the benefit verification in Salesforce Health Cloud lets you check the insurance coverage directly from the patient's record. Okay, so everyone knows what's covered and can avoid billing surprise and delays. Okay, next it's much easier and faster than manual forms. Next, keep patient and provider happy and informed. Okay, everything is visible and clear right inside Salesforce. Okay, and yeah, so these are all the things I want to cover in this video. I hope this will help you to make your concepts better. Yeah, thank you.